This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Teams is installed and you're signed in, because version checks require the running client. Once done, quit any resource-heavy apps so the client launches cleanly and opens faster. Now launch Microsoft Teams on your desktop. If you use the web app, open the browser tab you normally use. This immediate action gets you to the settings where version details live and avoids confusion between desktop and web behavior. You click your profile image at the top right and choose Settings. This is where Teams exposes versioning and update controls. Once in Settings, navigate to About and then Version so you can read the exact build and update channel. Make sure to note both the version number and whether it says up to date, since the build alone doesn't tell you if an update is pending. If you need distribution details, check Help or About for channel info. After you read the version, compare the build against your organization's required release or Microsoft release notes to verify compatibility. If it's out of date, force an update via Help, then check for updates and let the client download and install. Once updated, restart Teams to apply changes. If the version still looks wrong, clear cache or reinstall the app. Troubleshooting tip: if updates fail, sign out, restart your machine. Then try the update again to eliminate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.